What is up, my Christmas light friends, family, YouTube? Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the Christmas Light Academy YouTube channel. Right below, hit that little bell for me. Appreciate you guys. All right, so this video is how to build your own employee training program. It's 2026, and honestly, this has gotten a lot easier than most people think. We're doing this today, and I had to completely restart. This is exactly how I would build my own employee training program if I didn't want to invest in the Christmas Light Academy or another platform to do it for me, right? Step number one is, in the off season, figure out what you actually want to teach your installers. That's like the biggest thing, is kind of getting an outline in place while you're getting ready for the season. Start writing out your outline. You know, things that you do in your business, how to wrap a palm tree, how to wrap bushes, how to do the ground lights, how to prep the lights in the shop, how to put on gutter clips, how to put on male and female slide plugs, how to use the hot glue gun, how to use an extension ladder. Get that checklist built out of like the videos that you're constantly repeating yourself on. And then this is my recommendation. Equip your guys, all of your installers, with a pair of the Meta glasses. Depending on how you want to deliver the format of the video, Meta, you can change from a vertical video or you can change to a landscape. With the Meta glasses, what we're doing in my own decorating business is I'm going to be giving away these glasses completely for free. These glasses are maybe $500-600, but they're not just, here's some glasses, go make videos, right? You got to be intentional about this. So the first thing you're going to do, like I said, is make the outline of all the videos you're trying to get. When you're hiring the guys and you're giving out the Meta glasses, have some type of document that says, hey, in order to get these glasses for free, every single one of these videos that is on this checklist needs to be completed. If there's missing one or two of these videos, then you don't get to keep the glasses, and then you keep those glasses for the next season. This incentivizes them to really get all these videos done. And now if you have multiple installers on different crews, think about how much content you're gonna get that's actually intentional content for your business, right? Investing in those glasses, having a checklist, so that way the installers actually know like what videos you want. They're not just out there recording them, unloading stuff out of the van, and it's just like burning up storage on these Meta glasses. So that is what I would recommend doing on that. All right, so this is all about pre-planning for the next season, right? Every year we're getting better and better as we go. You know, this year is being intentional, gathering all the training videos you can, so that way next season, maybe we're moving into 2027 or 2028, depending on whenever you're seeing this video, right? It's all about being intentional for the next season. All these videos that you're collecting from the Meta glasses are gonna cost you, what? The glasses are maybe $500-600. And then now you also have content for your brand, but you also are building your training program all at the same time. The biggest downside I would say to this method is, okay, now you have all the training videos. For one, they need to be edited, which is work for you. Two is, how are you gonna deliver and package this training program? Are you gonna throw all these videos on a Google Drive? How are you gonna deliver this for all your employees in the busy season? Right? Are they gonna get a Google Drive link texted to them and just say, hey, go watch all these videos? This video is more to tell you about how to get the content. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, in CLA Custom, which is where we build your custom branded employee training program, you can actually send us your Google Drive. We'll edit all these videos for you and we'll add them into your already built training program. And then it's all on the mobile app. It's all automated. It's all tracked, you know, with certifications and things like that with the Christmas Light Academy. So that's an option for you. If you didn't even want to go that option, we could actually host your entire training program for you for a lower fee. And you edit the videos, you do everything. You just send us final products. We upload it as a course into CLA, and then we build out some back-end automations, keep it really simple. And now you can put your training program on our mobile app and you can deliver it that way. So a lot of different options, but definitely invest in the Meta glasses this year. Build that checklist out and just get started on it. At least you're getting started, because you need something better than nothing, right? So that's my recommendation for you on how to build an employee training program that's affordable, it's simple, and intentional all at the same time. Guys, thank you again for being here. This is Michael with the Christmas Light Academy. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Right after this, I'm gonna pop up another video for you guys. Check it out. Appreciate you. Let's go crush it this Christmas light season. Peace.